Well, it looks like we got all the parts in for the 2015 Copart Jeep number 3. So we got our windshield frame in here. We got our sound bar there. We got 2 pieces of the roll cage here. Little top plates there. And another part of the roll cage there that got bent. Obviously you can see the red one, it's the old one. And the top gasket to the windshield frame here. Got new tail lights. Those are Audexen tail lights. AUDEXEN. Pretty cool. Can't wait to see them lit up. Got the windshield out. Windshield frame out. The roll cage that comes up through here. The bar that goes all the way across the top. And the sound bar and all the upholstery that goes around the roll cage. Got all that off. You see we're trying to stretch the roll cage out a little bit. You see how it's mounted to my car lift. Still got a dent right there on this one. Not sure what I'm gonna do about that. I think I might go with dentless repair on that rather than having it painted. Hood's getting replaced, I'll show you that. This dent here and a dent there is kind of rolled. I know I need to paint that, but yeah, not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with that. A little dented here, that can be fixed. Got a couple of door dings here, boom, boom. Pretty deep door dings actually. See here, I was strapping this thing and trying to get this roll cage a little closer this way. But what I realized is this one has been in a little more than the other one over there. And when I stretch this one, it stretches that one. All I want to do is stretch this one. So I think I'm going to hook a strap to the frame on that side towards the bottom of the vehicle, and then I'm going to just pull this. But I think before it bends that roll cage, it's going to start tipping the car over. And here's my perfect hood I got. Had somebody message me on Facebook on one of the Jeep pages, and he gave me this hood for $100. Of course, I didn't negotiate or anything, because that's an awesome deal. He even had it inside his house. So that is a great deal right there. So I'll be talking numbers with you once we get this thing done. Once I finish with the body work or have my buddy Heath work on the body, I'll give you some more information on pricing. Tail lights. Awesome. Okay, that's the end of part 2 Jeep 3. You guys have a good one. Be sure to like and subscribe.